You guys know what this means. Hey guys, just quickly coming on here to remind you that I am running a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. If you haven't checked out that video already, I urge you to do so. The giveaway is running until December 23rd and is right before the holidays, and this is for your chance to win a Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, as well as some other goodies that I'm going to sneak in until then. So go watch, enter, and let's wait and see who's lucky to win. Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Jasleen, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So I know I said in my previous 20k unboxing that this will be my second last unboxing because I knew I had a purchase coming to me on the way, and this is from the 20k fall winter collection. And I thought I'd share this with you. It arrived about 2 days ago and I just didn't have the time to film, but I didn't want to open it without unboxing it with you guys. So we're gonna go ahead. So I have the proper tools now so I can unbox without using my scissors and kitchen knife. So we'll go ahead. So this is an item that I saw. It wasn't really on the website, but it was, the motif was there. And I did see certain personal shoppers posting this item on Instagram, and it was something that I really did like, and I told myself I wouldn't purchase another item like this, and if you know, I told myself I wouldn't purchase more costume jewelry. But sometimes there are just pieces you can't resist, and I think after this piece I will be at costume jewelry piece, and if I am going to purchase another piece, then something will have to leave for my collection. But I'm very happy with my collection right now, but then, you know, I'm a magpie and I get tempted by other things. So I just opened the box. It's so much easier when you have the right tools, right? I'm gonna try not to stab myself, so I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna open the box. So basically I asked my local boutique and they said they didn't have it. We have 3 boutiques in Toronto, so I asked everybody and they said they didn't have it, and they said that they should be getting some stock soon. And then one of the sales associates there, she was able to find the item number. So I'll also put it in the description box and in the video here. So if you are looking for this item, it'll make your life a lot easier because it wasn't on the website, so I didn't have access to the item code, but she was able to look for it and then gave me the item code. And then she was also able to track it down for me, and then I purchased it, and then the item was shipped to me. So this is the box, and it's all packed in the bag. There's black tissue paper on the bottom, and small bag. We're gonna undo the ribbon. There's a little camellia on the front, and my receipt is inside. So it has my charges in there. There's something else in here. Oh, there's a Care Tips card. I don't think I've ever received that before. I received something similar for shoes, but nothing for Care Tips. So I'll take a photo of that and I'll insert it in the video, and then if you want to look at it, you can pause the video and read this. But nobody ever pays attention to the Care Tips anyway. And then inside, we have my little box. So I'll come a little bit closer. So there's the cute little box. I mean, you just can't resist, especially with like the little camellia flower. I know the lights are kind of blinding. There we go, you can see. Beautiful, beautiful camellia flower. And we're going to take that off, put it in the box. We're going to undo the ribbon. Here is the box. And then there is a care booklet card. It says Chanel, and stick that in there. Little pouch. And maybe you can guess already what this is, but we're going to open it up. And here we go. These are some yellow shiny gold CC studs. and I was really happy to come across these because they are a very shiny yellow gold, and these will go with a lot of Indian outfits. And also I don't have anything like this. I mean, I know I did purchase the Paris button studs in the yellow gold, and then I have the dangle earrings, but these are the CC earrings, and I have champagne gold solid studs, but nothing like this. And they're a pretty decent size, and I'll insert the dimensions as well, but very, very nice. I'm going to try them on so that you have an idea of what they look like. I think they had a version of this with I think it was like a little pearl or like a little stud with these CCs dangling, but let's try them on so you know what they look like. And actually, let me just zoom in so you can see the, I don't know if you can make that out. There's like a maiden stamp on the back. So usually with most earrings, there will be a tiny, tiny inscription on the back that tells you where it's made. I really can't see that, so I'll have to go in with like a magnifying glass. But that's what they look like. So they're a pretty decent size. They're not too big, but they're not too small. They're just right. And I'll come a little closer. I don't know if you want to see my mug so close. I have really bad, well, not so bad, but I've got the mask acne going, and it's just been terrible. Like, I'm trying to, like, I don't wear makeup on my face for work. Like, I'll maybe do a little bit up here, but all this is bare. And the masks, like, no matter what, like, that just from being at, like, I normally don't have to wear a mask at work, so I'm not used to it. But, you know, yeah, you do get the congestion and all that, and anyway, it's not the best right now, so, but you can see that's how it looks. It's a very decent size and really, really pretty. So I'm super happy that I was able to find these. Obviously it goes really well with the gold color I'm wearing. Very pretty, very subtle. Well, no logo is subtle, but I mean, they're not like blingy and in your face. So yes, so I am totally digging these. I thought they might be bigger, but I'm happy that they're not. I know they came out with like a silver version of these way back. I'm hoping they'll bring those back again, but I'm really liking them. And yes, I have sensitive ears, so I probably won't be wearing these day in and day out, but I always love a nice CC stud. So price wise, they weren't too bad for costume jewelry. They, at the time, they were retail Canadian, $500, and then add tax, so we have 13% tax, so it came to $565, which is quite good for costume jewelry pricing. So anything with like stones and embellishments, you're gonna end up paying more. And also there's a risk of those little stones falling out, and I never had that happen until last time I did the collection video, and then one of them I noticed that there was a little tiny crystal that was missing. Luckily it was floating around in the box, so I just put it in a little Ziploc bag and I took it to boutique to send it in for repair. So because I had the little crystal, I don't think it should take a long time, but I'll update you on that repair. So if you haven't watched my Chanel costume jewelry collection video that I did upload a few videos ago, go ahead and watch that and then add this video on top. So I think after this I should be done with costume jewelry. And if you like these sort of videos, stick around, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because then you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. From now on, I'm going to be focusing more on reviews and topics and discussion around luxury fashion, care tips, storage tips. There are various bags from Chanel that people do want me to review, so I will go through. Because I've had them for a while, I can give you my honest opinions about each one, so I will be going in through that. And there are loads of other topics that I am planning to cover, so if you want to stick around for those, then do hit the subscribe button, because I think you're going to really like it here. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.